Welcome! I'm going to show you how to edit the transparent PNG version of the frame mockup with a color changing wall in Pixlr. So go to pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, in any web browser, and then we'll just click on Pixlr X here. And then we'll click on Open Image to find the mockup. Okay, and we'll open the PNG version. It's going to ask us if we want to size it down. We don't really want to do that, so we'll just click Original, and then click Apply to open the original size. And you'll see it has this transparent area behind the frame. Now we just want to click on this icon on the left-hand side with the mountains and the sun that says Add Image when we hover over it. And then we'll click Browse and find the artwork. It's a little large, so we want to size it down. So to do that, we'll just click and drag any of the four corners. And if you kind of hover over and you see this tool with the four arrows, that's the Move tool. You can just click and drag once you see that to move it into place. Of course, right now it's over the frame instead of behind it. So to change that, we want to unlock the bottom image with the frame. So we can just double click the little padlock icon that's over the thumbnail in the layer panel. So we'll just double click the little lock. That's going to make it unlocked, and now we can just drag the layer with the artwork right underneath the layer with the frame. Now it's behind it like we need, and we're pretty much done, so we can just click Save. If you want to use this online as a thumbnail like on Etsy, you want to save a version as a JPEG. So we'll make sure JPG is selected and then change the quality to 100. We'll leave it on high and just click Download. And it's just going to let us know that the image was saved to our default download folder. It'll also give you an option to change that if you want to. If you want to save a layered Pixlr document, you can just come back here a second time and click the Save button. And then click PXE and click Download again. And that's all there is to adding your art to the PNG frame mockup in Pixlr. Please message me at melissabmockups.com if you have any questions. And don't forget to like and subscribe to get updates to future videos. And as always, this mockup and other mockups are available at melissabmockups.com. Thank you.